Projects that will transform this corridor is that if you're looking at 2020 manifesto, we're repeating it again in 2024. We're going to build a modern market in Avle, and then we're going to repair the road, first-class road between Avle and Rome. Repair it so that the two markets will be linked up. People will come from Avle and come and take goods from here. Our mothers here will go to Avle and bring goods here. And that will also link up with Lome and Shikame. And so it will create prosperity in this corridor. December 2024, Ohoi will be found and will come back into the family of the sheep again. And I thought that in the last 8 years at least, this Eastern Corridor Road would have been finished. I can assure you, the Eastern Corridor Road is going to be one of our #1 priorities. Expanded the storage, expanded the